Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Binance verification failed. So if you are having this issue, you can basically follow some steps that I'll just show you. If you are having issues with your ID documentation, so your verification is being failed, then you need to make sure that you are basically doing this step correctly. So you will need to ensure that you upload a photo of an accepted ID, such as your passport or your driving license. So make sure that you do follow the instructions that Binance has confirmed. If you are not sure what kind of documentations you can be using, you can simply go to Binance official website and visit the page that I am showing you and basically read more information about what do they accept. If you still have issue, even though you are using right documentations and you are quite sure that it is accepted, but even though you are still having issues and your verification is getting failed, then the only thing you can do is to basically contact Binance customer support. You can simply do this through their official website. Just click on the chat icon and chat with them. And from there, they will basically advise you on what to do next, and your issue is gonna be resolved.